Did you know that you could get addicted to negative self-talk? Did you know that you could get addicted to a toxic energy? Everything you do in a specific, unique way according to how it makes you feel. The key is to feel confident. When people give me compliments, I'm like, I know, girl. I know when I stepped out the house, I knew it was cunty. I knew it was giving cunt claps all day. I knew I was gonna gag and cluck that tea. There's nothing wrong with knowing that you're pretty and that you're beautiful. That's the trick. That's what they want you. That's why they get us, okay? Listen. You can't let society fool you into thinking that their standards are the only standard of beauty. I will not let society take us down. You understand me? Our acne scars, our pimples, they are a sign of the fact that we are alive, that we have seen the sun. Okay, our scars are there because the sun has kissed our skin. I feel like not enough women embrace their beauty in a way that treads the line of cockiness and confidence. Like I understand, you don't want to be like, I'm pretty, so I get everything I want because I'm pretty, but honestly, we really do get everything we want because we're pretty. Nah, but you gotta, that really, I don't know, something about saying I'm pretty, so I get everything I want. Yeah, it's of such a vibe. I understand that we need to bring practicality to that sentence, right? But I forgot what I was even saying because saying that sentence just gives me so much joy. I don't know, and I understand that that's not reality at its core, but just something about it gives me the energy I need in order to attack reality to get what I want. So it's not about being delusional in a sense where you're actually that delusional. I think the delusion comes in to give us the energetic push that we need in order to execute the inspired actions that lead us to our dream life. Did that make sense? I just feel like you need to hear that. You really deserve it. You deserve to be loved, right? You really do. You deserve to be loved right, not only by others, but specifically and especially by yourself. Who's gonna wanna hang out with you if you're pathetically lying in your own miserable energy all day? You only uplift other people, yet you don't uplift yourself. I'm just saying, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Don't come to me for it. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Don't get mad at me. Okay? You better get your ass up. You better do it. Nobody's perfect. You live and you learn it. I really need you to pinpoint why it is exactly you don't like yourself. You don't like how you look. You don't like how you speak, how you talk, how you walk. What don't you like about yourself? It's okay not to like something about yourself. But what's not okay is for you to hate yourself so much that you're not gonna find a way to fix it. A problem is paired with a solution. There is something called duality in life. There is something called polarity in life. Duality is like black and white, light and dark, red and blue, up and down, right and left. You catching my drift? Are you catching what I'm putting down? So if you have a problem and if there's something that you don't like about yourself, there is something that can help you like it. This is called a solution. A lot of people don't like solutions. You want to know why a lot of people don't like solutions? Because solutions stop you from that complaining and all that negativity that some of you are addicted to. Did you know that you could get addicted to negative self-talk? Did you know that you could get addicted to a toxic energy? Did you know that you could get addicted to feeling depressed? Did you know that you could get addicted to feeling sad, angry, unloved, numb, void, empty? Did you know that you could get addicted to those things? If you don't know, now you know. Hey, shout out to him. Okay? If you don't know, now you know. Now, if you don't do anything about you not liking yourself, you are doing it because you literally are lazy and you just suck right now. I'm not gonna enable you. If you are just downing yourself, talking down on yourself, you're talking negative about yourself, you think you're ugly, you think you're this, you think you're fat, you think you're Like, okay, so are we gonna go for walks? Are we doing our skincare? Are we eating right? Are we eating clean? Are we drinking our water? Are we doing oil cleansing? Are we doing our masks? Are we doing our red light therapy? Like, what are you doing? It's sad. It's sad because I see this so much and it irritates me so much when women in particular, like, ugh, like it grosses me out. I it like hits here like a pet peeve. Like when a woman receives the compliment, and like, oh, you're just saying that. Don't say, ugh. When someone gives me a compliment, I'm like, I know. like I'm, depending on who it is, I might say thank you. If it's a man, I always say, I know, I did it last night, I did it myself. Oh my gosh, I know, I love it too. I just, thanking a man for a compliment just seems like it demeans what I'm doing for myself. You know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah, I know, it is nice, isn't it? Instead of like, thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I really needed to hear that from a man. Like, no, I don't do this for men. We don't do this for men. You are not supposed to do this for anybody but yourself. You are not supposed to feel good for anybody but yourself. Do you understand? You are not supposed to do your hair for anybody but you. You're not supposed to dress for anybody but you. And you're not supposed to do your makeup for anybody but you. Everything you do in a specific, unique way according to how it makes you feel. The key is to feel confident. In life, people do not chase anything but feelings, seriously. When you think you're chasing money, you're actually chasing the feeling of being secure. When you think you're chasing beauty, you're actually chasing the feeling of confidence, the feeling of, for me, like, I'm like, what do I feel when I feel beautiful? I don't know. When you feel beautiful, what do you feel? I feel happy. I feel excited. I feel strong. Like, can't nobody tell me nothing whenever I feel as beautiful as I look, you know? So people chase feelings. So if you're doing something and you don't know why you're doing it, 9 times out of 10, you can say, okay, what do I think I'm gonna feel whenever I achieve this? So let's circle back. What do you think you're going to feel whenever you talk to yourself like that? The same pitiful feelings that you've been feeling for the last however long, however weeks, months, or years of your life. You keep calling yourself ugly because you want to keep feeling that same familiar feeling of, yeah, like it's almost like if someone were to look at you and say, you are so beautiful. Like, you are gorgeous. You'd be like, thanks, God, this feels so weird, right? I need you to tell yourself you're beautiful so much to the point where you get to not only accept the compliment, but immediately understand that you know why they're giving you the compliment. When people give me compliments, I'm like, I know, girl. I know when I stepped out the house, I knew it was cunty. I knew it was giving cunt claps all day. I knew I was going to gag and cluck that tea. Right? I knew I was going to gag and cluck that tea. So when someone comes up to me, they're like, I love you. I'm like, I'm waiting for it. Like, I know. And if I don't get any, that it doesn't really matter. But when I do, I already know. Girl, I already know. Because when I stepped out the house today, I said, God damn. God damn. She's fine. Shit. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I'm like, who is she? She's me. Yes. Period. All that. Like, I want you to know that it's so, and there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with knowing that you're pretty and that you're beautiful. If you are a pretty girl and you're watching this and you're like, I don't really like to say that I'm pretty because I'm scared. I'm scared. People are going to think I'm cocky. Let them think it, babe. Because, I mean, if not, they're just going to think you're shy and like, oh, she's so innocent. She doesn't know how pretty she is. How cute. Like, it gives like little girl energy. Know that you're repping. Know that you rep the pretty girl society. The pretty girl society can include anybody that thinks they're pretty. That's what y'all don't get. There's no queen of the pretty society. There's no head. There's no leader. If you think you are pretty, you are in. But you gotta really know it. You gotta really know it. And you can't let societal standards, determine if you are beautiful. That's the trick. That's what they want you. That's why they get us, okay? Listen, You can't let society fool you into thinking that their standards are the only standard of beauty. Because people who really go beyond that standard and make what isn't deemed pretty beautiful, it's almost ethereal. People are like, whoa, how did she make this seemingly unattractive quality so beautiful? And now it's attractive due to the energy that exudes from her very being. Seriously, like, like these roots, oh, they're not that cute. But when I sleek them and slay them and wrap them and gel it down like that, it's like, this is a moment. Yes, you can't get past it, right? So even like my acne, my scarring, like I love it, okay? I will not let society take us down. You understand me? Our acne scars, our pimples, they are a sign of the fact that we are alive, that we have seen the sun, okay? Our scars are there because the sun has kissed our skin. Now, does that mean I'm not going to try to put on more sunscreen throughout the day so that I can take better care of it? Not at all. I wear sunscreen out every day now. I do take care of myself, as should you. You know why you should? Because it also reminds you that, hey, I fuck with myself. Like, I love me. Like, okay, I love me. I'm gonna lotion my skin, and I'm gonna brush my teeth, and I'm gonna floss and clean behind my ears, and I'm gonna do the things that I need to do to feel loved in the morning, so that during the day I can execute the things I need to do with a smile on my face that is genuine. Okay, I just really wanted to get on here because I feel like not enough women like embrace their beauty in a way that treads the line of cockiness and confidence. Like I understand, like, you don't want to be like, I'm pretty, so I get everything I want because I'm pretty, but like, honestly, like, we really do get everything we want because we're pretty. Nah, but like, you gotta, like, that really, like, I don't know, something about like saying like, I'm pretty, so I get everything I want. Yeah, it's like such a vibe. I understand that we need to bring practicality to that sentence, right? But I forgot what I was even saying, because like saying that sentence just gives me so much joy. Like, I don't know, like, and I understand that that's not like reality at its core, but just something about it gives me the energy I need in order to attack reality to get what I want. So it's not about being delusional in a sense where you're actually like that delusional. I think the delusion comes in to give us the energetic push that we need in order to execute the inspired actions that lead us to our dream life. Did that make sense? So whenever I say something like, I'm pretty, so I get everything I want, like, I feel so good. Like, I'm so now I have this energy, right? The energy is here. I understand that just because I'm pretty, I'm not gonna get everything I want. Like, if I had said that and then like stayed in my room all day in the dark in a blanket eating like ice cream, ice cream from Bluebell ice cream sounds so, just vanilla Bluebell ice cream sounds so good right now with some fries. Like, just stayed in my room watching Vampire Diaries, like just eating under a blanket, never touching my hair, never doing anything. And I was like, I'm pretty, so I get everything I want. Like, in my room, like, no. But if I say that and I use this energy that I now have, it's shaking, I feel it, right? And I'm like, oh my God, what am I gonna do next? And I use that energy to attack my plans and attack my goals and accomplish the things I need to get done. It will come back full circle. And now I am getting what I want because I'm pretty. Okay, so it's not just because of that, but when you take out the time to what am I trying to say? When you take out the time, I want to say to beautify or be creative with your person like this, like doing stuff, you don't got to do it like this. This is me, right? Do you, right? So find inspiration. Now, of course, I've seen other girls with the white and the crystals and the hair and everything. This is inspiration I took. This is like my Pinterest board, but in my version, right? So take your Pinterest board. Take whatever gives you inspiration. Put it on yourself. Have yourself feeling good, looking good, and execute the goals that you know will bring you your dream life, because I promise you deserve it. You do, you deserve it, you do. You deserve it. I really, really want you to know that you deserve it. You do. You deserve the best. You deserve the world. You deserve everything you've ever wanted in this life that you know will fuel your soul and bring the most genuine smile onto your face. I just feel like you need to hear that. You really deserve it. You deserve to be loved, right? You really do. You deserve to be loved right, not only by others, but specifically and especially by yourself. And I had to close my eyes for that entire paragraph because that was straight from the heart, from the soul. You deserve that. You deserve that. Girl, stop tripping. You're tweaking. You're tweaking. You're tweaking. You're tripping if you don't think you deserve every and anything that is going to literally bring the most brightest smile on your face. Like, you're tripping. Whatever man or woman that you want in your life as a partner, you deserve it, but you can't really embrace that as much as you would actually want to until you love yourself 10 freaking fold. I feel like once you get to a point in your life where you love yourself so much, you ain't even gonna want nobody else. Of course, we always want to be open to love and open to new people in our lives and things of that nature. But once you get to a certain point where you're like, I really love me, like I love what I do throughout my day, like I love spending time with me, it gets to a point where you're like, I don't really want anybody coming in my space. I like it like this. Like, I like how I have time for me in every single hour of my day. And that's you don't need to, when you're at the point in your day where you're so bored with yourself, you're so over yourself, you can't even look at yourself. Girl, what? Then why would anyone else want to be around you? What do you want anybody else to be around you for? Who's gonna, like, I mean, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Don't come to me for it. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Don't get mad at me. Okay. Who's gonna want to hang out with you if you're pathetically like lying in your own miserable energy all day? You only uplift other people, yet you don't uplift yourself. That's not attractive. And somebody who you do want to be around isn't even really going to be in alignment with you like that, to be honest. And they're probably not going to want to be around you like that either, because you can't uplift yourself. So if you can't uplift yourself in a genuine manner, when you're uplifting someone else, it's not as genuine as you think it is. That's coming from me, because that's coming from experience. It's true. Like, in the past, the way I uplift people now is not the same way I used to uplift them in the past. It's not. And that's because I didn't uplift myself. Now that I uplift myself, the way I uplift people, I'm like, you better get your ass up. You better do it. Because I genuinely know and feel and understand how amazing it is to believe in yourself to the utmost degree. Okay? So that is all I had to tell you today. Okay, I love you down. If you are one of my subscribers and you come on live with me, girl, you know I love you down. I love you so much. I love you bad. Okay, and I really just had this on my heart, and I knew I just wanted to come talk to y'all. Okay, whatever's on my mind, whenever I feel good after doing my makeup, I'm just gonna come and talk to y'all. This is our safe space, okay? This is a place for us to come and talk and chat, okay? So this is what was on my heart today. I hope it resonated with one of you. And why am I shrugging so much? Like, it's like I want to dance. Okay. Thank you for listening, watching, and existing. I'm Ariel. Until we meet again. Bye. Oh my God. I thought that was my tooth, Jen. There's just lipstick on my teeth. Nobody's perfect. You live and you learn it. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect.